Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix your screen flickering on the ALCATEL 3. So we're gonna start off by adjusting our brightness in the settings. So let's enter the settings right here. Now we want to go over to the display. Here in the display we will have the brightness level, and here we can change it just by sliding. So now after that we need to make sure that adaptive brightness is disabled. It's actually very bad for the screen flickers. When you experience them, then I recommend you guys disabling it. Now we're gonna move on and go over to the Play Store. Here we're gonna download an app that is gonna save our screen. So let's go over, search for screen, dimmer, and then OLED saver. So this is the app right here. It's available for almost every device, including this one. So let's click install. It should like 10 to 15 seconds. It should take like not much of your time. It weighs like 2 megabytes, so it's nothing. And now we can click on open, and now we need to give all the permissions. So let's go here, let's grant permissions to modify system settings. Basically we need to do that to adjust the brightness. Now we need to update our overlays. Whenever we change to keyboard, we rotate our screen. So that's why we need to give the permissions to this application. Let's click on OK. And here we have the final effect. Now we can click on enable service, and as you guys can see, we can change the dim right here, or we can simply disable that, and now we have our normal screen. So now as a last step, what you guys can do is you guys can go over to the settings and here scroll down onto you guys the system. Here click on the system updates, and now click on check for updates now. As you guys can see, it's checking for updates and our system is up to date. So if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.